Hi everybody, this is your tutorial on how to make the ThinkCelestial bag. There it is, ThinkCelestial. Really super easy. In this package, there is some paper. This is 3.0 on the back, and on the front is the design. You're going to take some scissors and you're going to cut not out each letter, but around the word think and around the word celestial. And if you would like to use the sun, I would do like a half moon shape. And then the flowers, you're going to want to get a little closer. And once you cut it out, you put it on your bag. If you want it exactly like this and you just want to take the sun off, or if you just want to use the sun and the words, then you're welcome to do that. I would go like halfway, so at this level. I just gave you a little more so you could use it. But cut much what you don't want on there. Cut the white part off. And go ahead and lay it down on the bag. Show you what the bag looks like. So you're gonna just lay it anywhere you want to on the bag. Now, there are 11 people that signed up, and I printed 18 of them. So if there's extra at the end of the day, you might be able to do the back side of yours, but you don't have to. There's only enough basically to do one side, unless you want to put a sunshine on the back. But these need to be pressed, and I have this is my press. It should be set for 330 degrees. And then you just hit this little R button here, and that'll give it for 30 seconds. So turn it on, let it heat up, and then it's good to go. And always keep that on the holder so that it doesn't burn anything. And then I have a mat that you can lay this down on, and then press it so it's nice and straight, and then put your design how you want to. And as long as you put it on at 330 degrees, just hold it down with a little, don't be moving it around if you move it around too much. Also make sure that you have some parchment paper covering your design. So basically, you're gonna cut this out, you're gonna peel it off the back side, lay it down on the ironed canvas, and then you're good to go. So that is a really simple way to design your bag. And in the future, if you'd like to put your initials on it, I'll invite you over to do that, or let me know that you want to do that, and we can do that. I'm also putting in one of my transfers that has a sunshine on it as well. Let me find that really quick. It's this one here, and it has a sunshine. So you can either use the one, or you can use this with the ink paste. I think I covered everything up that I was gonna show you. And then, so just cut this sunshine out, and then peel the back off, put it wherever you want to, and then the chalk paste, I have yellow and orange for you, or sorry, ink. It's got to say ink, chalk ink. And then after you're done, lay it down, put the stuff on. You can use the squeegee to wipe it on, and then once you peel it off, make sure it looks good. Then take one of these sponges into a bucket, and then wipe down the transfer. Sorry, my puppy's getting into everything. And then blow dry it with the blow dryer. And then again, use the heat set for 330 degrees for 30 seconds. And that will set it. But this is gonna kind of dry it before you put the parchment paper down and heat set it. Always have parchment paper down between either the paper or the ink, so that it won't get on the iron. All right. I think that's it. So now I'm going to do the other one.